Like all of these mountains are just insane. It's crazy. Alright, let's get the tent out now. Woo! Yeah. This is very flat. Got some salami here. Welcome in this video. For the next 24 hours, I'll be surviving here in the snowstorm, completely alone. I just left the civilization, and now I'm alone in this misery, in this snowstorm for the next 24 hours. I'll bring you guys along for the ride. I'm leaving the waterfall right over there, and I'm gonna go on this path. Actually, there's no path. It looks pretty wide. Look at this. There's no path right here, so I don't know how I'm gonna do, but we're gonna see that. Let's get this going. It's gonna be crazy adventure. Beautiful waterfall, that I must say. Oh yeah. This is simply stunning. It's astonishing. Like, what? These mountains are so vertical. Like, all of these mountains are just insane. It's crazy. Never seen something like this. I've been hiking for a couple kilometers and it's been taking me 3 hours because there's so much snow that you progress. I progress at a very slowly. Now I'm gonna find a camping spot here really soon to set the tent up and maybe make a fire. But it doesn't look like I can make a fire here. The wood doesn't seem dry enough. I'm looking for camping spot right now. You can see there are good possibilities. I think maybe just under this birch tree here is a good opportunity to sleep. Otherwise, maybe another place. I don't know. I'm looking for different camping spots here in this miserable weather. When I see this rock here, I will also feel kind of protected. So that could be an idea. The river is just down there. It's very, very beautiful. So yeah, let me see here. Yeah, I think this will do. To avoid my backpack getting wet, I can simply put the backpack here in the survival blanket, and that way it will not get wet, like this, and that's perfect. Oh man, it's cold. It's a cold snowstorm today. Alright, let's get the tent out now. Woo! I took these with me in case the snow would be too slippery. This is like chains you can use when it's too slidey, simply too slidey. Anyways, sleeping pad, tent, and I got the sleeping bag in the backpack. So getting the tent poles in here. Now the tent poles are ready, so I can set the tent up. I mean, like the view from the campsite is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. This tent is 100% waterproof, which is amazing in this snowy weather right now. I really need to have this. So yeah. Just get it in here like this. This is the tent I've been using in all my adventures. It's a tent that works all year round, the 4 seasons. I'm really happy to have it. It has proved itself, so really good tent. Now the tent is up. That's really perfect. I have to check if it's a good place to lay down. Yeah, this is very flat. This is something you should always check if the camping area is flat. You can also flatten it out by doing this. So the problem right now is that I don't have any tent stakes, so I cannot fix the tent. So I think I'll just have to break some branches here and use those as tent stakes. I think that will work for the shelter. Yeah. Time to get the tent up now. I have the tent stakes here, so I can fix it. Oh yeah. Simply take the stick here, put it down in the snow. perfect. I'm also gonna put some stones to make it more solid, but this is great. It always seems impossible to get the tent up, but then when you have the first places fixed, then it looks doable. Boys and girls, the tent is up. It's getting dark pretty soon. So now the second step is to heat myself up, dry myself up, maybe make a fire. I don't know. I have to see off on that. We're gonna see. Oh yeah, I'm covered from the snow now. Let's go. Crazy, crazy. Get the backpack in there as fast as possible. That's very nice. Very, very nice. So, right here I got the sleeping mattress, the sleeping pad for tonight. Just gonna pump it up here. Not gonna lie, I'm a bit nervous right now because it's a pretty crazy storm. So, yeah, I hope I'm not gonna die, you know. That's all. I hope it's gonna be fine. Because, you know, a lot of people every year, they die in these snowstorms. Thousands of people. There was a young guy my age who passed out the other week in this area, falling down from a mountain. So yeah, that's why you should make fun with nature. But then comes the question, why do I even camp? Why do I do it? Is it funny? So actually it's not funny to camp in snowstorm, but I do it because I feel alive. I feel very, very, very great inside myself when I do this. I know it's the right thing to do, and you know, there's just fresh air, and yeah, so it's really great. The sleeping pad is ready. I'm gonna get it in the tent. The sleeping pad is in now. Gonna lay down. Oh yeah. Oh, that's great. Looks cozy in here actually. It's pretty cozy inside here, the tent. Pretty cozy setup. And this is the view as soon as I take it out. View on nature, view on the tent. View on nature, view on the tent. Lunch break time, 12 p.m. So got some salami here. I got some bread. I wish I would have a gas stove right now so I could heat up myself some spaghetti bolognese, but I don't, unfortunately, because when I'm in the airports they take it from me. So that sucks. Then I have some cheese here. And then I have some aioli. I simply love aioli. That's so good. It's gonna be a long night this night. I mean, I think I can get some sleep in actually. The tent is really good. It conserves really well the heat. So we're gonna see. But yeah. Oh. Oh my god. Gonna open the cheese here also. Also my feet are cold. Look at my feet. They are really cold. So therefore I gotta get them in the sleeping bag here any soon because I don't have the right shoes for this season. I should get some better ones. Each winter I never get hot feet. I always have cold feet because I don't have the right shoes. So it's pretty annoying. Now look at this. Yeah, I'm happy the tent is up. I think I'll just go to the river after, drink some water, get myself in the sleeping bag, get myself cozy. Maybe watch a movie on my phone because I download movies sometimes. Yeah. By the way, me and my friend, we're gonna travel with a van in the New Year's from New York to Alaska, and we're looking for a car company that can sponsor it, or people like you who wanna finance that adventure. We're looking for people who can finance that also. You can just write to this mail right here, contact.outdoorginger@gmail.com. Yeah. And if you want to finance these adventures that I'm doing, there's the first link in the description. It's named Buy Me a Coffee. You can send me some money there if you want to support my adventures. Alright, just ate some food. It's really cold, so I'm just gonna get in my sleeping bag now. because honestly it's not easy. I hope the camping is gonna go alright, you know. I hope everything is gonna be fine. This is one of the craziest camping adventures, man. Where is it? Oh yeah, you can see right here. It says comfort. You can see what's written here. This is the sleeping bag I'm gonna sleep in tonight. Comfort -25, so I should be alright, you know. I should be fine. I hope so. But yeah, I think I'm not gonna go to sleep now because it's only 2 p.m., 1 p.m. But I'm gonna get in the sleeping bag because then I can heat myself up. Yeah. Boys and girls, I'm gonna go to sleep now. See you tomorrow morning. I hope the snowstorm will stop. Yeah. Good morning, folks. The night was long, around 18 hours of darkness. So it's very tough to handle when it's dark so much time, but I was in the sleeping bag and I was watching a movie yesterday evening. The camera bed is totally turned off. I just recharged them. Man, I just want to go home as fast as possible. But the good thing is that the snowstorm stopped about at 4 p.m. yesterday. Now the snow just comes back, but there was no snowstorm this night. Just pretty much wind. I'm gonna go home now. I want to go home so bad because my equipment is so shit. I never have the right equipment because I travel a lot, and each time I'm in the airplane they take it. Like, I would have needed a gas stove, I would have needed a better sleeping mattress, some better food. I only ate one meal on this adventure. I can't wait to take a hot shower. But I just left the campsite with all the things. It was a pleasure to vlog this trip. I'm pretty cold now. Happy to go home. I've got around 1 hour and a half walk if I'm fast. Want to say thank you guys for watching the video. It was crazy. It was a long night. Not easy conditions, but I'm happy I did it because I feel so much alive. See you, boys.